Everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I will be showing you how to set up and use MongoDB locally, and will create your first database and collection. Okay, and we'll perform some basic operation also. So whether you're a beginner or looking to switch from SQL database to MongoDB, then this video is for you guys. Okay, so let's get started now. So before jumping to that, we will see guys what is MongoDB. Okay, so MongoDB is nothing but it is a no SQL database. No SQL means not only database, meaning it doesn't use any tables and rows like how we use traditionally in SQL. There will be a tables, there will be a rows. Here we don't use like that. Okay, so instead of that, what we will do guys, here we will store the data in JSON format. Okay, so here you can see guys, it will be in JSON format, which is like documents. Okay, so this make it faster and easy to scale also. Okay, so because of that, we are moving now for MongoDB. Okay, for example, if I tell you one example guys, we have a table with rows and columns. Okay, as how we use in SQL, right? There will be tables and rows like that, but in MongoDB we have collections. Here is collection is nothing but what? Collection is nothing but table here. Okay, and inside it we store some documents means we store some data which are like rows but in JSON format. It is like rows only, but it will be in JSON format. Okay, so let's now install MongoDB on your system. So we'll see after that next steps. Okay, so to install the MongoDB, first what we need to do guys, just download from MongoDB website, that is MongoDB. Then install using MSI. Okay, so here we have to download the package like MSI. Then we will verify the installation. Okay, so what we will do, we'll move and we'll download the MongoDB and we'll install that. Okay, so so you can see guys, now we are in browser. So here what you need to do, just type like Mongo down, only type MongoDB. Okay, so here you will get like this. Just open this format. Okay, next what you need to do, just go here. uh okay, before that we'll move here guys, in products. Here you go for community edition. This community edition is free guys, this we can use freely, so just click on that. Okay, then after that what you do, just go below here. And one more thing guys, here now some rally is going on, so you will get some background music also or noise also, so please understand guys. Okay, so you can see guys, just come below. Oh, okay, here it is not that here. Okay, just come in community edition, then here click on community download community. Then here you will get the service. Okay, here we have community edition. Oh, okay, here you can see guys, in community edition we have MongoDB community server. So here we'll get that version. Okay, so just version is 8.5. It is in Windows and MSI. So this we are downloading in Windows 11 guys. Okay, so just download it, so it will get downloaded. You can see guys, it is downloading. Okay, so already I have the downloaded version, so that I'll show you guys. Okay, so on that we will do the installation. So because already I have, so I'll pause this now. Okay, I'll pause. So you can see guys, I have already, here it is MongoDB Windows. Okay, so just open it. Okay, but I'll tell you one more thing is, already I have installed in my computer. Okay, so just I'll tell you the steps. So just click on next. Okay, it is telling change. So what I'll do, it is asking for remove also, so I'll remove and I'll show you all the steps, so that will be the good, right? Okay, okay, I have removed. Now we'll go now to installation process. So I'll open this once again, preparing to install. You can see you will get like this. Okay, then next here click on next. Just accept the agreement guys, accept it, go next. Then here click on complete guys. Okay, so click on complete. Then here it should be run server as network service only, and just check the root. Here also log directory you can check, and server name should be MongoDB only. Okay, after that click on next, then again click on next, then install. So after that what will happen, it will get installed. Okay, Now you can see guys, now the installation is complete. Okay, so after that what you need to do, just click on finish. Okay, now the installation is done. Then after that go in what I can say, in file guides. So go in PC, then go in C drive, just go in program files. Here just see here there is a MongoDB, right? Just click on that, go in server, then 8.0, then bin, then copy this path. Okay, just copy it. Now go here in search and just check for environment variable. Okay, here, then open it. Here check, click on this guys, environment variable, then go here, come here in path, just edit it, click on new, then paste it here. Okay, here you paste it guys. After that what you do, just click on OK, then OK, then OK. Okay, now it is done. Here it is added. After this what we need to do, just we'll see here, this all installation step is done. Just we need to check it. Okay, that we will check. So after this, now it is installed, right? Now we'll see the version, whether it is installed or not. So by using this command we will check if it is installed, it will show the version. Okay, so let's get, so we'll see that guys. Now open here command like cmd. Here we are. Now we need to use that command, that is mongod version. Okay, now you can see guys, whatever the version we have installed, that it is showing, right? So it is installed now. Okay, this is done. Then next what we need to do guys, next we need to install mongo shell also. That is also important. We'll install now mongo shell also. That, so to install the mongo shell, just go in Google here also and just check for mongo shell download. Okay, just see here mongo shell download, type like that, come here and download here the version. Okay, so we'll go here guys. You can see 2.4 Windows, and here just click on MSI because we want MSI. Just click on that, download. So it is downloading. See, after downloading we need to install it. Okay, so now it is installed. Just we will open it. Already I have installed that, just I'm showing you guys. Click on next. Here also same we need to do, because here you can see guys, already it is there in my computer. Okay, I'll remove it. Yes, finish it. Just go here, shell, open it. Okay, here just click on next. It will show the path also. Install just for you. No, I don't want, like for you, I want for everyone. So I have unticked this. Then next, install. Now it is installing. You can see guys, it is installing now. Okay, so installation is done. Now what we will do, now go in command prompt and just check here mongo shell. Just type here like mongo sh. Okay, you can see guys, mongo sh is installed, because here it is showing me all the things. So it is installed now. Okay, after this what we will do guys, this both is done. Next what we will do guys, now we'll move to db and we'll create one db guys, that is use mydb. And then after that what we will do guys, we'll check whether it is exist or not. If it is not exist, we'll use different. If it is exist, we'll use different. If it is not exist, it will create. Okay, so we'll create this db. After that what we will do, we'll create one collection. Okay, then collection is nothing but storing the data in documents, that we will do. Then after that we'll insert one data. Okay, to insert one data, we need to use, that is this query guys, that is db.user.insert1. If you want to insert multiple, you can use this db.users.insert many. Okay, so first we'll do that. After that we'll see the find the means we'll see whatever the data we have installed, that we will check by using this command, that is db.users.find pretty. Then we'll see the database also, then we'll see the collections also. Okay, so we'll move to that now. So now we are in command prompt. So now we need to create a database, right? So to create database, what command we need to use? As I told you, use uh, new database. We'll use this, that is new database. Okay, now you can see guys, switch to new database means now the database has been created. Okay, now after this what we need to do, we need to create a collection. Collection is nothing but creating a table in SQL. How we create table in SQL? Like that only, here we will create a collection in MongoDB. Okay, so to create that, this command we need to use, that is db dot create. Then here there will be a collection, db dot create collection, and here my table name will come. Okay, so I'll give here table name like product or products. Okay, so here my table name, that is collection name, is products. Okay, after this just enter it. You can see guys, it is created now. Okay, so my collection is created. So like this you need to create. One more thing is this product is nothing but this is my table, and this new database is nothing but my database. Okay, so this is the database and this is one table I have created now. Okay, suppose if I want to insert any data in this my table, that is products table, then for that which command we need to use? For that you need to use this command, that is db dot users dot insert, because we are inserting, right? So here insert one, because one entry I want to do, so I will use one. Then after that this we need to use is, okay, round bracket and curly braces we need to use. Then here how we use in JSON format, right? That format we need to use here. For example, I'll take here name, that is product name, I'll take like book. Okay, here, then here we'll take price, so price 200. Then here we'll take city, it will be welcome. Okay, so three entries I have done. One is name, price and city. Okay, so this I am inserting in my this products table. Okay, so here it should be products, guys, because we are inserting product table, not users table, right? So I'm using here db.products dot insert one, because one data I'm entering, that is name, book, price for 200, city, welcome. Okay, now we'll see whether it will create or not. Just enter it. Okay, it is created, guys. Okay, this has been created. Suppose if you want to see this, so how to see that data? So as I told you, we need to use one command to see all the data. So first we'll see the databases whether it is there or not. So for that you need to use this command, how much databases are there. So show dbs means it will show the all the data. You can see guys, it is showing me the data, sorry. Now I have created new database, so it is showing me new database. Suppose if I want to see the collections, so to see that, just do like this, show collections. So you can see it is showing me the collection, that is products, right? Because we have created products collection. Next, to see the data in this collection, whatever the products table is there now, in this what data is there, to see that we need to use this command, right? That is db dot products, we are finding, so find dot pretty means we are giving one prettiest format, you show me in JSON format, like that, pretty format, like that it is. Okay, now we'll see the output. Okay, now you can see guys, whatever the data I have entered, that is book, the name is book, price is 200, city is Belgaum. See guys, I'm getting here, right? See, I got the data. Okay, now suppose if I want to insert multiple data, because now I have inserted only one data here, right? If I want to use multiple data insert, then we need to use this command, guys, that is db dot products dot insert. There we have taken one, right? Here you need to take many, insert many. Okay, and here array we need to use. So in this we are going to use whatever the name is there, that is product name, name. So product name I'll keep like pen. Okay, then here my price will come, sorry. So pen price I'll take 20 rupees. After that city will be I'll take Belgaum only. Okay, same I'll take for all. So one data is there. Okay, this is one, but one more I want to add. So for that, after this, here I'll add one more data. Okay, okay, it is I have entered, guys, that is by mistakenly. Okay, so here I have to write one more data. So same I'll take here also. So here take name. So pen I've added, right? Now I will add like a laptop. Okay, then laptop price will be like 40,000. Okay, and here the city will be same, it is from Belgaum only, well selling, right? So I'll write Belgaum only. Okay, so you can see guys, there are two entries, one is pen entry, one is laptop entry. Okay, now we'll enter and see the output. Okay, two entries has been done, guys. Here suppose if I want to see this all the data, so I'll use this same command whatever I have used here. So db.products, because it is in products, right? Now it will show all the three data. You can see guys, here it is book, whatever I have inserted, then pen, then again one more by mistake I entered, right? So that data also it has taken, and again here is laptop, right? So all the data we got here, whatever the data we have created in collection, that we got, guys. Okay, So this is the thing, guys. Okay, now one more thing, guys. Suppose if you want to update the data, so same here also there is one query, that is db dot products. Okay, after products we need to use here dot update, because we are updating one. Okay, and here on which name you want to update, that I have to use here. So I'll take here like name, whatever the name is there. So I will update this book, guys, book price I will update. So here I will write book. Okay, then here there will be set. Okay, so we are setting the data, that is set. What we are updating, we are updating price, right? So here it is price will come. Then here there is 200, right? So I'll make it 100 rupees price. Okay, so here you can see, guys, update one means one only part we are updating. So now enter this and we'll check. Insert id null, master account 1. Okay, we'll see here output. Okay, you can see, guys, it is updated. Like sorry, earlier it was 200, now it became 100, right? So like this we can update the data. Okay, so updating is done, guys. And for example, if you want to delete, there is one delete command, guys, that you can use. For example, same we need to use db dot products. Okay, dot delete one. So here I want to delete this pen, because two quantities, one I'll delete from that. So name, it is pen. Okay, so this I will delete now. So it is deleted, guys. See here, delete count is 1 now. So again, if I see my data, you can see, guys, there is only 3. Earlier it was 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it is 1, 2, 3, because we have deleted, right? So like this we can delete, we can update, we can create it. So all things we have done. See, you can see, guys, very easily we have done here, right, guys? So like this, guys, we can do. Okay, so okay, so that's it, guys. We have successfully set up and used a MongoDB locally. Okay, so like this you can use locally, guys, and I hope you got this all the things right. Okay, so guys, if you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tech videos. Okay, and guys, let me know in the comments if you want to tutorial on connecting MongoDB with Node.js. Okay, and thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much, guys.